Welcome back to the channel, everybody.
Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're in Downtown Summerlin.
Yeah, we're going to take you on a tour of Downtown Summerlin and show you some of the shops and some of the things you can do in Downtown Summerlin, I guess.
Yeah, eat, play, hang out, shop, yeah.
Watch some baseball.
Hockey, I think, too, out here, yeah, so.
Alright, so come get lost with us today in Downtown Summerlin. Down on our next adventure.
So make sure you guys hit the like button.
Make sure to subscribe.
Because when we hit 1,000 subscribers,
we'll be jumping off the stride.
So back to the video. Alright guys, so we are going to start our adventure over here on the Lazy Dog end. In case you are looking for a little bit of direction to orientate yourself to where exactly we are starting. So we are starting right by Lazy Dog and Crate and Barrel. Alright, so over here is where you can find Red Rock Resort.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time.
Fun fact, guys, I went to the Aveda Institute, and that's where I got my cosmetology license. But yeah, as you guys can see, we're getting started here. So we've got the Gap right here. The Las Vegas ballpark is kind of right down this alleyway, like all the way down there. And then we also have a West Elm and a few other high-end stores, i.e. Crate and Barrel. I don't buy things there because it is like way too expensive, but if you're looking for some high-end stores, this is your due. Alright, down our first alleyway, you have some more high-end stores. So we got Banana Republic, we actually have a California Closets, and then a really cool art gallery, which honestly, I really love going in these places and taking a look, but I never end up buying anything. You guys ever bought anything from an art gallery? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, and in the opposite direction, we have what is like this jungle gym. I'll get a little closer to show you guys a little bit of a closer look, but it's like a little kiddie play area. You can just let your kids go wild and free.
And there's a farmer's market down here every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m.
We gotta go there. Just want to show the structure. So here is the main layout of the stores here in Downtown Summerlin. And the way that these digital maps work is you can basically pick where you want to go and it'll show you the best walking path to get where you need to go. And we are actually, we're right there where it says U1. That's where we're at. Yeah, we're right there. And then down here is a scrolling list of all the fabulous things this place has. There's a lot of shopping, and there's a good handful of restaurants here. I know one of my favorite places is Lush, so I cannot wait to head in there. But yeah, so here's just a quick scroll of all the brands that you guys can find here. Alright guys, so the first big restaurant we're gonna hit is Public School, and if you guys want to check out our full review when we went to public school, make sure you check out the video linked up above. And up here is the restaurant. You can look down on all the little people. Alright guys, here is the Courtyard with more restaurants. We've got Jing, we've got a Wolfgang Puck over here, and then what's really cool about this Courtyard is there's just like really awesome spots to hang out in. So I'll flip the camera around here in just a second and show you. We've also got True Food Kitchen, and today is like the perfect day to be eating outside. The weather is just absolutely perfect. Alright. Alright guys, so because it's Lunar New Year, there is the dragon. And they do change this out. It seems like every season. For Halloween there was a skull that was in the water, so this is pretty cool. And again, I go back to like the really cool hangout spots that they have. Like there's tons of benches and tables, and at night they have like little heaters, so that way when it gets cold you can stay warm. It's definitely one of the coolest features about this hangout area.
And in the summer, because of the water, it's actually cooler than the area around it. So if you actually want to sit out here in the summer, it's better. I won't say it's reasonable, but it's better.
Got Shake Shack if you're in for some fast food. This is another place we haven't tried. Kitchen. It's a restaurant. It's just basically like a kitchen lounge. Alright guys, here's another shot of Lynetta, but there's also Frankie's Uptown. It's a neighborhood food and bar, so yeah, so many places. And if you guys see any places here you want to see us personally check out and put up a video anytime soon, let us know in the comments below as you guys are watching this, because just kind of want to know what you guys want to see first, because we'll definitely come back and eat at these places, but it's good to know what you guys want to see. Alright guys, so on the outer edge of Downtown Summerlin is the Las Vegas ballpark, which is where you can see the local team play, and I do believe the Golden Knights practice out here as well for hockey. But yeah, it's pretty cool. This is all again within walking distance of Red Rock, so keep that in mind when you guys are thinking about where you want to stay. Now, if you are somebody who wants to valet your car, you can valet your car here at Downtown Summerlin. So keep that in mind if you want to not have to worry about parking, because sometimes parking can be difficult. You can valet here. Alright, so rounding off our first little corner here is the last restaurant, which is California Pizza Girl, which we've never ate at.
It's California Pizza Kitchen, not Grill.
Kitchen, same thing. Alright guys, so one of the last restaurants actually is going to be Maggiano's. I did not grab this one when we were circling back around. But yeah, so Maggiano's is also over here. It's kind of like an Olive Garden. We have actually ate here, and they are actually one of the few restaurants out here that do large parties, catering, and a few other things. But it's Italian food, and that's pretty easy to cater, so. Alright, another restaurant we have over here is MTO Cafe, which actually wasn't the greatest place I've ever ate, but it wasn't bad. It is a little on the pricey side, so keep that in mind. Alright, so this is like the main strip through Downtown Summerlin, and during certain holidays they actually do parades down here. We were lucky enough to catch the Halloween parade when we were out here, so make sure you guys check out that video so you can kind of see what that was like. It was interesting.
Yeah, and MTO Caf was in that video as well, so if you want to see some food from there, you can check out that video.
Alright guys, so at the time of taping this, it is a celebration of the Lunar New Year. And they always do like really fun like backdrops and stuff. The parade is actually going to be February 1st at 6 p.m. So we're going to try and go. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, so just like every other mall, we've got American Eagle, we've got Hollister, Urban Outfitters, there's a Claire's across the way, Steve Madden. I mean, there's anything you can think of. It's definitely down here in Downtown Summerlin. Alright, so we've made it to another intersection, and down here is where you'll find the Regal Cinemas, which ironically enough, there's actually one inside of Red Rock, but this is literally like 5 minutes away, so I guess if you don't want to go into the casino, you can come out here to Downtown Summerlin and go to the movies. But But yeah, so we're now at another cross section. So as you can see, there's It's Sugar, Steve Madden, and Claire's over here on the other side. And down here we've got Anthropologie. We've got some hat stores. We got Buckle. Yeah, so we've got a lot of really nice stores. So we're gonna keep walking. Alright guys, another intersection here, just one more over. So there's the Anthropologie store. We've got Oakley, Lululemon is down there, White House Black Market, Zales. I mean, so many stores. Then over here on the other side, we have Free People. Dillard's is kind of all the way back there. We've got Bath & Body Works, Victoria's Secret. So basically, like I said, anything that you're gonna find in the mall, you're gonna find here. Here we have Earl of Sandwich and Skinny Fats, both of which I actually really like. Skinny Fats is actually a really good, if you're looking for like healthy and junk food, like they kind of have a little bit of something for everyone. Down there is Dave & Buster's. And then of course we've got some more restaurants. My favorite store, Lush. And then we've got some more stores. We got Fabletics, Casper, Sephora, Pandora. We've got the Macy's standalone store. There's some jewelry restaurants down here as well. And then of course, like I said, Bath & Body Works, Pink, Victoria's Secret. Those are all right there. Alright guys, so we are at another intersection. So over here we have Bonono's, I think is what it's called, but it's a pizza place. We also have the other side of the theater. And here's a more close-up view of the doors for Dave & Buster's. And then down this alleyway is Champs, the Crazy Pita, and I believe there's another storefront that we just can't see. There's also a Foot Locker over here, and then some more restaurants and cafes, and this one is called Grape Street. Alright guys, so we actually found a stationery map, and I'm gonna go do a quick pan of all of the stores here in case you missed it in the first run. Where's the Wonderland Bakery at? Hey guys, so here's another intersection, and here we've got the Foot Locker, we've got Torrid, Hot Topic, Champs, there's another restaurant called Crazy Pita, and then back here is another massive parking lot. Again, like, it does get really busy here, so just keep that in mind when you guys are coming out here.
Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
You got the what?
I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Guys, so we are on the other end finally, and this is the south parking garage, and it connects to Macy's, but also on the other side is access to the other stores that are on the other side of the shopping mall. Alright guys, so in the south parking lot you can find EV parking. It does look like there's only 2 spots here, but yeah, there's a charge point charger. And I don't know if it's free because I've not used this one yet, but I'll definitely come back and try it. Alright guys, so like I said, the south parking lot, it connects the Downtown Summerlin, like, I don't want to call them bougie shops, but the more upscale shops to kind of more the like outdoor strip mall. So we've got like Bed Bath & Beyond, there's a PGA Superstore, there's like a makeup store, there's also a Trader Joe's back here. Like this is kind of more like everyday kind of shopping. Kirkland's, Ulta, Old Navy, and I believe over down here is Nordstrom Rack. But yeah, there's some restaurants. There's also a little bit further off in the distance, there's some more there's more shops as well. Alright guys, so over here on the back end you can see the parking lot. There's a lot of green space. This space is actually what is used for the ice skating rink in the winter months. And they also do some outdoor plays out here. Like at Halloween time they had like an Addams Family play. So they do a lot of events out here on the lawn. Alright guys, so we have a Pure Bar up here. I believe there's also a dance school up here. We have the continuation of the Bassett Furniture Store that you can see. And this is the upper level where you can find that public school restaurant that we showed you guys earlier. Alright guys, on this end there is the Hand and Stone Massage and Facial Spa. There's a place called True Fusion, which I'm not really sure what that is. It looks like it's a workout gym, like they do classes and stuff there. There's public school again. And then some place that's called Taylor Morrison. I have no idea what that is. Alright guys, so we have come full circle here. Here's where we started, by Crate and Barrel in West Elm. This is just from the upper deck here. And as you can see, right there is, again, Red Rock Casino. So if you're looking for some really good shopping, you literally just steps away. And I'm not sure how well you guys can see the mountains in the details there, but the view in Las Vegas is just amazing. So one more little sweep. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed tagging along with us as we ventured around downtown Summerlin.
Yeah, that concludes our exploratory visit of downtown Summerlin. Now remember, this is where a lot of the events and stuff happen in Summerlin, and this is what they consider to be like the main hub of Summerlin.
Yep. It is pet friendly. You can bring your dogs and come like walk around. There's a lot of restaurants that have outdoor seating that you can sit with your dogs, so keep that in mind if you're bringing your dogs. It does get very busy on the weekends here. The weekdays it's actually quite dead, but weekends It's quite busy. Yeah, and it's a nice little jaunt over from Red Rock. So if you're staying at the Red Rock Casino, this is a perfect place to get some food or do some shopping while you're in Vegas if you don't want to head all the way down to the Strip. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more content like it, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. And ring that notification bell so that you're notified when we do more videos. And when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're jumping off the Strap. So we will see you guys in the next adventure. Bye everybody. Come get lost with us again. I don't want to be dragged in a box. I just want to go my own way. 'Cause I am on my